In Smurfit Kappa Group, we are committed to environment conservation and our employees' health and safety. Our main goal is to create working conditions that guarantee your and your co-workers' well-being. This is why we must follow the safety guidelines in order to prevent and eliminate any possible source of injury. Maintain safety equipment in good condition and within easy access. Smoking, as well as bringing and consuming any type of alcoholic beverages and drugs within the premises, is strictly forbidden. Any personal protective equipment given to you must be used correctly. Earplugs, gloves, safety goggles, vest, and steel-toe boots. Remember not to wear any loose accessories, such as watches, rings, necklaces, or mobile phones. Do not block safety buttons and make sure they are performing in optimal condition, as they can save your life in case of an emergency. Walk only on the designated crosswalks painted on the floor. Even though the locations where pedestrians and vehicles might meet have been greatly reduced, you must beware of incoming vehicles and forklifts at all times. Under no circumstances should you step away from the crosswalks. Stay focused in your design activity, whether you are a machine operator or a contractor. Please do not get distracted nor distract your coworker. It is dangerous pulling pranks within the factory premises. Do not try to operate machinery that you have not been trained for. Do not operate any designated equipment or machinery before covering all safety measures, nor allow any coworker to operate it, no matter how simple it might seem, as it could result in an accident or injury. Restricted areas can only be accessed by qualified personnel. Do not risk your coworkers and your safety by trespassing. Do not try to operate or drive any forklift if you have not been trained. Forklifts are specially designed to transport material. You must not give nor ask for any rides. Follow the driving rules and stay within the traffic areas. You must drive in reverse to avoid the cargo blocking your sight. The speed limit is 10 kilometers per hour. If you are required to do a non-familiar activity, you must follow the guidelines in detail. Neither welding, cutting, nor work at high labor must be initiated without the approval of the health and safety coordinators, as well as the area supervisor. Welding and cutting labor must be done following the guidelines and safety procedures. The plant floor has been divided into specific workstations. Make sure to follow the guidelines and procedures of each designated area. Do not try or attempt to repair operating vehicles. Use proper tools and do not suggest improvised solutions. Report any incident, hazard, or dangerous practice in the company intranet RCI section. Wandering off your workstation. A clean and organized working station speaks louder than words. Remember to apply the 3 P's: pause, ponder, and proceed. Don't run and keep calm if you hear the evacuation alarm. Follow the green signs to save areas and wait for further instructions. In case of any doubt, go directly to the area supervisor and ask him or her for instructions until all doubt is cleared. Report any accident, hazard, or dangerous practice to the area supervisor. Always do your job following the safety guidelines and remind your co-workers to do so. Smurfit Kappa, Cartón de Venezuela, Compañía Anónima, is committed to the environment-friendly business practices. In order to keep with our environmental policy, we are committed to support recycling initiatives, reforestation, comply with environmental legislations, the efficient use of natural resources, energy and raw materials, improve our services continuously, be considered good neighbors. We encourage the recycling of material by using different color containers: red for metal, blue office paper, brown cardboard, yellow oil-soaked clothes, white plastic and strappings, gray organic garbage. Any waste generated by suppliers and contractors, such as rubble, leftover paint, and used brushes, must be properly disposed of by the plant engineer. Excellence can only be achieved through personal behavior. Taking this into account, Smurfit and Kappa Group organizes personal development workshops in order to increase the knowledge and awareness of our employees and to reduce the risk of injury. All industrial activity carries a risk of injury. In order to keep it under control, we ask you to carefully follow the safety guidelines of the factory.